Hi Jurassic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Tom Nook from the game Animal Crossing. So let's get started. To draw this cute raccoon, let's first start by drawing a curve right here. And this is going to be the beginning of the raccoon's mask. So about right there I'm going to add a curve. And from there I'm just going to go around. So I'm kind of drawing a, it's kind of like a kidney shape, I guess you could call it. So same thing over here. I'm just going to drag a point across so I know approximately how low to go on the other side, since I'm drawing kind of big. And from there I'm going to go up just like the other side, and then I'm going to connect it. So my center is about right here. And I'm just going to give myself a point approximately and come down. So that's the basic shape for the to put the eyes in. So then from there, let's come inside right in this area, and we're going to draw an oval for the eye. So about right here. And same thing on this side. So I'm just going to drag a point across about right there. And the bottom. To create my oval. Okay, so then from there we're going to add a little slant right here at the top, and then come inside and draw another half oval, just following your outside. And I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. Why not, right? Let's try this. So I'm going to put two small circles inside and then a curved line at the bottom. And let's shade this in. If this doesn't work, I'll just color it in just like the original drawing. I thought I would try it. And then lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So exactly the same, but flipped. We're going to add a slanted line. And once again, follow your outside to draw the inside oval. And I'm going to add two circles once again. So hopefully you guys love this drawing. I was very excited to see this game and all the characters in it. So hopefully you will love, I would love to draw more of these characters for you. So definitely let me know in the comments below if you play this game and what other characters you want me to draw. Okay, so I have the eyes in. So then let's come right here in the center, and we're going to draw a little raccoon nose. So about right here, I'll give myself a point. And I'm going to draw kind of like a little triangular nose with a curve at the bottom. I'm just going to shade it in so you can see it better. And from there, I'm going to create, I'm just going to come down and create an oval around it. There. And then now we can start to draw the head. So I'm going to come, say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point on the other side as well, so I know where I'm going. And I'm just going to follow this curve and draw right on top of it. And then from there, I'm going to bring this down. So we're going to start to draw the head. And it's going to be wider on the cheek area. Kind of my usual dumpling shape. And then we're going to start to bring it in. So we're going to bring it right, not too far underneath the mouth area. And about right here, I'm going to go ahead and connect it, flattening out the bottom. And connect. And then now we can draw the ears. So kind of in this area, I'm going to start about right here. I'm just going to bring out a curve and in. And we're going to draw another curve inside. And same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag my point across. There. And another one, just so I know where to go. And about right there, and go up and back. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's finally draw the body. I'm going to come right here, say about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve for the shoulder area. So actually I forgot. So this hand's going to be up. So let's do this first. We have this curve. Let's come in here. I'm going to center it about right there. And I'm going to draw a curve that comes down. So this is going to be Tom Nook's shirt. So we're going to draw a curve. And then before I go any further, let's come in here. We're going to draw some details. So about right here, I'm going to center this triangle shape so that we can draw the collar. So using this angle, I'm going to bring it out a little bit more. And I'm going to bring this line straight down. And then let's come in here. We're going to draw a collar from this point. Let's go up, zigzag in, and let's see. Oh, it actually comes all the way out. So there. And then on this side, we're going to do the same thing, zigzag, and just come all the way out. So then now we can go ahead and bring this down more. So we're just going to curve it a little bit. And about right there, I'll go ahead and connect it with a curve. So the center is a little bit lower and go up. And then we can bring this line down. And just bring in another line. So this is where the buttons will go. So we're going to come in here and draw 3 circles. And one more. So then now we can work on the sleeve on this side. So bring this down. About right there. And come in. And let's draw the hand. So about right here, we're going to pop out a curve. It's like a little stump. Much easier to draw. And bring it in. Okay, so on this hand, he's kind of holding a flag. So sleeves are going to be up, so I'm going to come about right here, slightly under the head, and I'm going to curve right there. So his armpits would be about right here. I'm just going to imagine that, and bring in a sleeve. And then from this sleeve right here, I'm just going to continue out and draw his hands on this side. There. Okay, so then now for his pants, let's come down here. We're going to come in a little bit and just draw a slight curve on both sides. And in the center, let's come right in the center right here. We're going to draw a curve right there. And this is my center, so about right where the buttons are, about right here. And we're going to draw his pants. So let's bring this down. Curve out. And about right there, connect. So same thing on this side. And I'm going to come in here with a little cuff. And if you like, you can add 2 center lines here lightly. And then his feet. So just 2 little steps. Nice and easy. And another one right here. There. Okay, so then for some details right here, you can draw the leaf logo. So I'm just going to add a circle right here and a patch. And you can draw the leaf right here. So it's stem, leaf, this curve, and then right here is a curve that comes in and connect. And then there's the pattern right here of all the leaves. Do that when you're coloring it. and because I think they're white. So, but right here, I'm going to add a curve before I forget for his tail. Right there. Okay, so that is basically the drawing for Tom Nook. So now to decorate and give him a scenery, if you like, I'm gonna have him holding a flag. So right here, I just want to make sure it touches his hand. So about right there, I'm gonna go all the way up. So I'm just gonna come in here and thicken this. I'm going to go through his hand. So that's if you want to draw the flag. And right here, just going to bring this up a little bit more. So about right there, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this triangular shape. And connect. There. Round off my bottom here. And then inside of this flag is the leaf logo once again. So let's do that right here. Stem, curve all the way to a point. So another curve on this side, and it's going to come down. And about right here, just draw a curve that goes inside and connect. And then for some details, bring this through and some curves. Maybe there's one here. Okay, so you can draw this pattern in his shirt if you want to add some details to his Hawaiian style shirt. And then let's put him on the island. So for the new game, so about right here. Let's see here, I'm just gonna put in a curve. Continue my curve. And about right there, I'll just curve out again. And right here, let's add a palm tree. So small palm tree, curve and a curve, and then the leaves. So everything comes right back to the center. And one more. There. And you know what? Let's just go ahead and connect this. So there, hope you love this drawing of Tom Nook from Animal Crossing and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.